how to turn on or off share you post in multiple language on Facebook. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. In Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen, tap the gear icon. Here in settings and privacy and preference section, okay, go to language in region. And now you can see here the share your post in multiple language. And the share your post in multiple language is off. Okay, to turn on this, you'll have to do is tap this. And now you can see the switch button on the right side. So share your post in multiple language, write post in more than one language. And okay, to turn on this, okay, you'll have to do switch on the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully turned on. And after you turn on, tap the save button. And okay guys, that's it. You have successfully turned on. And if you want to turn off again, okay, go to again to share post in multiple language and turn off the switch button on the right side. And tap save button. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully turned on or off share you post in multiple language on Facebook. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.